Hi, how are you doing? It's a payroll in Excel update for the end of 2021. Today's video is going to be a special video focused on they don't say urgent. It's not really urgent. However, it is kind of interesting. It's an update that has been made through tax legislation that was passed recently about dependent care benefits. And dependent care benefits on your W-2 are right here. They're this box 10 right over here. And what they've done here and what they've upped the amount of money that you can receive tax-free for dependent expenses. So it's the box 10 right here, and they upped it to $10,500 from what was $5,000. And what that means is that if you have child care expenses that qualify for this type of expense, your employer can either pay that company directly, or they can pay you that money and it's not taxable for you or for the employer even, I believe. So what's interesting about that is I noticed in the payroll file that we actually did not have this column available yet in the general template version. So I added it and made some programming enhancements to reflect that. So what we have now is we have dependent care benefits, which as the employer, you could put down for whatever it was for the employee for the pay period that we're talking about. You could put it there, and then its year-to-date amount is going to calculate. And what's interesting about this is that there's that maximum amount, right, of $10,500 for most filing statuses. When you go to the W-2, if that amount goes over $10,500, it's going to show up in pink as though you really can't pay the employee that amount, and that compensation is going to have to be taxable or moved to a different area as taxable income. So I think that that'll be helpful to keep track for the year-to-date amount to make sure you don't go over when you're looking at the W-2. But we've added that to the file, and so it's nice to take a look as the legislation gets updated and amends, and there's constantly ever-changing tax law. But this is a very responsive program, and I mean it reflects itself right on the pay stub now down here. How much that compensation goes into the net amount, but it's not taxable down there. So a nice addition to the payroll file for this year. I'll be continuing to do videos as we roll into 2022. This is going to be a very busy couple months when it comes to payroll as we go through all 50 states. This file handles all 50 states and local jurisdictions in many instances, and it's going to be really interesting to evolve this over the next several months and onward. All right, so good luck, everyone. If you hit your boss or your company up for a bonus, tell them, hey, listen, I got dependent care expenses. Did you know I'd get another $5,000 before the end of the year? You want to pay me something? That's kind of the good news about that. I think it's the type of legislation that will lead to a smart, tax-efficient way to compensate employees more. It's a sneaky little way to do that. So I'm in favor of it. I mean, I'm always in favor of employees that are working hard getting paid more. All right, so good luck, everyone. Payroll should be easy. Oh, yeah, you can purchase this program, by the way. Just follow the links. Look in the description. It's all there. All right, good luck, and payroll should be easy. Make it so.